Hey friends, my name is Jeremy. I'm a park ranger here at the Ocoee State Park, and I'm literally thrilled about our upcoming program. We have a program, a class if you will, that's coming up, and it's called the Introduction to Thru-Hiking. And so if you have any inclination of like, man, maybe I'd like to go outside for a long distance backpack trip, but I really don't know where to start or what to do, this program is for you. If you're interested in section hiking, through hiking, or anything like that, we want to help equip you so you can have the best adventure and experience possible. In 2018, I through hiked the Appalachian Trail. I started from way down south here in Georgia, and I worked my way all the way up to Maine. It's 14 states, around 2,200 miles. It took me almost half a year to complete. But during that trek, during that trip, it literally changed my life. And that's one of the reasons why I've become a park ranger, is to share that experience and that knowledge with you guys. And so at this specific program, we'll do pack shakedowns. I'll give you guys some educational resources that you can look into to help equip you for a long distance hike. And we're gonna have a lot of fun, share a lot of laughs. You'll hear about why I decided to hike, what experience was it, did I see any animals, how close did the bears get to me when we were outside. And nonetheless, the details of this program can be found in the link below, so feel free to sign up and join this event. I look forward to seeing you out there.